Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? So, this is Adesh Bajpayee, your computer teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter working with tables. Okay, so here we are going to work on MS Word, on which you have already worked in your previous class. Okay, but now we will learn how you can create tables in MS Word, how you can enter data, how you can format the table. Okay, so first of all I will share the PDF of your book. Okay, I will explain you about the contents of this chapter and then I will show you practicals. So here is the PDF of your book, chapter 3, working with tables, in which we will cover how to create table in MS Word, how can we enter data, how can we resize the table, okay, and how can we modify changes, how can we modify or change a table, how can we enter data, okay, how can we change column width. So these all are the points. How can we split and merge cell, and how can we apply borders and shading, how can we convert the text to a table, how can we insert pictures and doing calculations. Okay, so before that you need to understand what is a table. Okay, so basically a table is a combination of rows and columns. It's a collection of grids. Okay, so it's a group of cells in which we can enter text, we can enter numbers. Okay, and for doing many things, like for storing data we use tables, for creating results we use tables. Okay, tables are very useful for us. Okay, as you all can see, here is a picture of a table. First I am telling you, let's see, these all are called rows, okay, and these are called columns, combination of horizontal and vertical lines. And whenever a row and column intersect each other, जहाँ पर ये दोनों एक दूसरे को intersect करते हैं, they form a cell. So this box in a table is called a cell. So basically a cell is a rectangular or square size box which is formed by the intersection of rows and columns. Okay, now let's come to important point, which is how to create table in MS Word. So MS Word is a word processing software which is normally used for making documents and editing documents, but we can also use tables in MS Word. There are two ways for creating table. First, you can create a table using table grid, and second, you can create a table using insert table dialog box. Okay, so how to do that I will show you practically. First I will show you how to create a table using a table grid. Okay, so for that, first of all you have to open MS Word. Okay, so just click on the start button and open MS Word. I have it here, so I'm opening it from here. Okay, so this is MS Word window. Here I will tell you first how to create a table using table grid. So choose insert menu first and then click on this table option. As you will click here, so you can see these small boxes. This area is called the table grid. You can select number of rows and number of columns from here directly by moving the mouse pointer over it. You can select the number of columns. These all are columns. 5 columns are there, 1 row is there, and you can also select number of rows by scrolling it down. 1 row, 2, 3 and 4 rows. So here we have the table with 5 columns and 4 rows in it. And as you click here, so you can see the table is inserted on a paper. Okay, so this is how using a table grid you can create a table. Okay, so this table we have created using the table grid option. Okay, this table we created using, wait, This table we have created using table grid. Okay, so using table grid. Now we will create a table using table dialog box. Okay, dialog box. Okay, so how we can create a table using table dialog box? Some options are same. Click on the insert menu and then choose this table option. Okay, now avoid choosing this one, this grid. Don't click on this. Choose insert table option. Okay, as you will click here, this insert table dialog box will appear. Here you can specify number of rows and columns. Suppose I am specifying number of columns 8 and I am specifying number of rows 5. Okay, and I am clicking on OK. You can see another table is inserted in this page. Okay, so this is how you can create a table directly from the table grid or by choosing the insert table dialog box. Okay, one more option is also given here, which is draw table option. Okay, if you all have observed here, I'm showing you as you click on this table option. So it's not given in your book, but as the option is here, so I'm telling you draw a table. Here you can draw a table. Actually it's little tough, it's little time taking activity. You can draw a table like this. Okay, you can draw, you can divide it like this. You can, with the help of this pencil, you can draw the table, but it's little time taking. Okay, and creating table freehand is a little tough task. So the better way is to choose either the grid option or the dialog box option. Okay, avoid drawing a table. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned how to create a table in MS Word. Next question is how to enter data. Okay, after creating a table we need to enter data. Okay, so for entering data in a table, you just need to move the pointer where you want to insert or wherever you want to write. Okay, suppose I'm writing here in this. Okay, in this column I want to write, but before that I have to click on the cell where you want to write. Just do click there. You can see the cursor is blinking here. You can write. Okay, so I'm writing, and for moving the cursor to the next or adjacent cell, press the tab key. By pressing the tab key you can jump to the next cell to the right side. Okay, and if you want to move the cursor to the left side, so you use tab plus shift key. Using tab plus shift key you can move it back, and by pressing only tab key you can move it to the next cell. Okay, so or you can simply click on that particular cell. Okay, name and then class. You can also use arrow keys for navigating in the table. You can use the up arrow key for moving up in the table, and down and left arrow key, and the left arrow key and the right arrow key you can use. Okay, there are many options to navigate in the table. Name, class, subject. Okay, these all are some headings of the table that I'm writing. Okay, address and then contact number. Okay, so these all are the headings of a table. These are also called the fields of the table. Okay, these are also called what? Fields. Okay, fields. Okay, I hope you have understood that what are called cells and what are called rows and columns. See, again I'm telling you, these all are columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and these all are called rows. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 rows are there, 5 columns are there, and where a row and column intersect, it form a cell. So this one box individually, it is called what? It's called a cell.